Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and today I have another set of ULG gel polishes to review for you and swatch for you. So what you're looking at here is I already removed the bottles from the box where they came in. This is a set of 4 glitter polishes. Available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below, and I believe I was going to be given a discount code. I will have that down in the description bar below, and I'll also check and see if I'll have it scrolling down at the bottom of the screen. This is the box that they came in. Like I said, a set of 4, and inside was this buffer file. Very nice. It was just tucked in there with the bottles. It also includes this little pamphlet right here, just telling you about gel application if you're new to that. Now these are the traditional gel polishes that require a base coat and top coat for application. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what these look like. They have the glass bottles, and these are 10 mLs. Okay, so they do cure under a UV and LED lamps. That's good. I will go ahead and start doing the swatches on these on these tips right here. Like I said, they are glitters, and one of them, let's see if it's this one. So they don't have names for the colors, they have the numbers. So you can see this one is number 092, and so this one, I'm not sure yet if they are all toppers. This one for sure will be a topper. Of course, you can use it by itself if you like the sheer glitter holographic. Very beautiful. They are holographic, or more iridescent, I will say. And then this is a gold, beautiful, chunky glitter, as well as some micro glitters. Look at that. Wow, stunning. And then we have the red. No, it's not a red. This is, oh, this color is so beautiful. Okay, let's wait until we swatch it and see. I'm not sure if it's gonna be best as a topper, but it almost appears to like it's gonna do good on its own. And then the blue one is this also chunky glitters. See, so this one looks more like it will do well on its own without being a topper. Chunky glitter and micro glitters. So the blue one is 077. I think this is almost like I want to say this is like a guava color, guys. So this is, wait, is this, how is it? So 068. The gold one is 084. Now let's go ahead and swatch these, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so here are all the swatches. This is 2 coats for each color, and already top coat with a gel top coat. There you can see how beautiful they are. Look at that blue, just as I predicted. Is pretty much, you can just leave that on its own because it has a blue base. What I'm calling the guava color also has that guava color base. The gold has that gold yellow base under that glitter. This is the only one that has the clear base. So here it is on its own. There you see it, very pretty. I personally actually like this one. This is 2 coats, but I prefer this one for this sheer look. I prefer a single coat on this one. I think with the glitters more spread out, I think I like it better. Now here it is, 2 coats as a topper over black. beautiful iridescent. Look at the blue colors. I wouldn't say holographic, but it's more of the different iridescent color glitter there. I do like the glitter gels that come, not I prefer not all chunky, but I prefer the mixture of chunky glitter with the micro glitter there for better coverage, and then the chunky glitter more spread out. And I'm not sure if I showed you before, but these polishes, they do come with the caps where you can, so you can see where the color right there, see, so you can see your swatches, and you can tell what color they are when you grab these bottles. And let me also mention, guys, that these are practically odorless. I open these, I do smell something very faint when I have to really stick them up to my nose, but it's not like one of those like other formulas that you open them up and it's like, whew, you know, you can smell them across the room. These, I will consider them practically odorless. That's good. I know that's important to a lot of you. So that is the end of my review, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that I will have the link to the Amazon website, or to Amazon, where these are available, down in the description bar below, as well as the discount code. So go ahead and take advantage of that if you like. I would like to thank ULG for sending me these gorgeous polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.